how to enable or disable calendar sticker suggestion and customize apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on customization service. After click on customization service, scroll down and you will see second option is calendar. If you want to disable calendar, click on turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see calendar app is disabled. If you want to enable calendar apps, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see calendar app is enabled. You will enable or disable calendar app from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable calendar sticker suggestion and customize apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.